Hi guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Alright, so here you can see my old pastel ombre acrylic set, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily remove that set. So we are taking our tornado extra coarse bit. You're basically just going along the sides of the nails, and you can see how the length of those nails is going to come off like butter. Here we are going on the whole surface of the nail, back and forth in circular motions from side to side. And then you wrap up your nails in acetone with a cotton ball, soak them for 10 minutes. Take a fine coarse mandrel sanding band, sand off that extra acrylic. Nice and easy, this has no damage to the natural nail. And then here we have our cuticle cleaning needle bit. It's going to make our nails nice and beautiful, and there you go. Beautiful, clean, healthy nails. Easy and fast acrylic removal or gel nail removal. And then we're going to make sure that we nourish our nails after this always with some cuticle oil. You always want to make sure you do this because the acetone tends to dry up your hands. Here we're just making sure the nails are nice and clean. Some rubbing alcohol, cleaning them really well. And you can see how those nails have absolutely no damage. All from easy, fast removal. Alright, getting that cuticle oil, putting it over the hands. This is a super important step. Get all that moisture back on the nail beds and cuticles to reveal beautiful, healthy, natural nails from easy, fast acrylic nail removal.